Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix suspended Google Ads account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, in order to fix this issue in your account, we are going over a number of processes which we need to follow to identify and solve the issue in your account. Step number 1 is adding bank details to your Google Ads account. Step number 2 is to start the advertiser verification. Step number 3 is to request a review in your Google Ads account the right way. So here we are inside a brand new Google Ads account. You can see that this account is currently suspended due to suspicious policy violation. So, step number 1 is to add the right billing details. Simply go in the billing section from the left side menu and access payment methods. You can see that I already went ahead and implemented the first step. I would always suggest adding a bank account in the first place and add any credit card later on, because a bank is more trustworthy than a credit card. So, step number 2 includes the advertiser verification. Simply go to the same menu and select advertiser verification. As this is a brand new account, I have already implemented one step of the advertiser verification. So here, you need to implement the advertiser verification, and they will ask some questions about yourself, about your business, and some registration details. That's how you can finish the advertiser verification. Step number 3 is to ask for a review. So there are basically two ways you can ask for a review of your blog Google Ads account. The first way is to click on Contact Us at top right corner and fill the form later if you click Submit Appeal here. Now the second way is through support. Simply go to support.google.com. It will bring you to this web page and you can select Google Ads. After that, we just want to click on the Contact Us button. You can then explain to them what the issue is, what your account is, and select the right things as well. After that, you just need to wait for them to unblock the account, and you'll receive an email in that case. So that's basically how you can fix suspended Google Ads account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.